warning in effect until 10:30 a.m. this morning. What flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected? Where? A portion of northern New Jersey, including the following county: Somerset. When? Until 10:30 a.m. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 6:22 a.m. Gauge reports indicated heavy rain. Flooding is already occurring in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flooding impacts will continue, but no additional rainfall is expected. For North Branch Raritan River at South Branch, at 6 a.m. the stage was 8.14 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.